Motion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy and
Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's video is the third video out of my Monsters Inc series, and we are doing Randall. I started off this look by having my brows blocked out with a glue stick, and I covered the top of my face with a white face paint, and then I primed my eyes with the P. Louise base in the shade 0. I went over the top of all the white with the Snazaroo face paint in the shade Lilac. I then went into the Makeup and Murder Trace Evidence Volume 1 eyeshadow palette and used the shade called Dining in that palette and started to create a kind of a cut crease, but I made the lid super high, kind of like Jessica Rabbit style. I then covered that with the Barium Glitter Fixer Gel and then went over that with the Sinful Pro Shine Cosmetic Glitter in Violet Mix. And then wiped away all the glitter that had fallen down onto my face and then covered it with a white face paint like I did with the top half of my face. And just like what I did earlier, I went over that with the Lilac face paint by Snazaroo. I then went into the Colourpop Lilac Lot palette and used the shade called Iffy and started to create a new brow bone. That is a lot higher than my natural brow bone. Now it's time to create the scales, and I used a netted wig cap for this. I put a makeup brush over the eyes so the net did not touch my eyes and take the glitter off. I then went into the Snazaroo face paint in the shade Purple and started to contour my face. To enhance that contour, I went back into that shade called Iffy in the Colourpop Lilac Lot palette and went over the contour. I also added this down on my neck area and on my chin. I then took off the wig cap and contoured my jawline using that Snazaroo purple face paint. I then put the wig cap back over my face and then got a white face paint and started to highlight my face. So I put this on my cheekbones, underneath my contour, on my forehead, my nose, and just areas that I hadn't covered already. Using that shade called Iffy again, I start to join my nose contour up with the shadow that I'd put above my eyes. For my waterline, I used the Colourpop Chrome Gel Liner in the shade Exit. And for my lips, I used the Colourpop Chrome Gel Liner in the shade Piggy Bank. So with that liner, I created a brand new smile, as Randall has a very big smile as that's part of his creepy nature, I guess. So what I did is made a really big extended smile, kind of like what I do around Halloween time, and then I filled in the lips with this liner. Once I had done that, I got a white face paint and started to paint on the spiky teeth. I then got a black face paint and started to fill in all the areas in between the teeth. I wanted the lips to be a little bit darker, so I went over them with the Snazaroo face paint in the shade Purple. I then coated my lashes with some mascara and used the Eldora False Lashes in the style B802. I put on my wig and we are done. This is the final look of my Glam Randall makeup. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you like it, hit that like button because it really helps me and my channel out. Let me know which one is your favourite for my Monsters Inc series so far. And if you would like to see more from me, you can press the subscribe button down below. You can also follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. It is at Brooke.Ellis_ on both of those. It is on the screen right now and linked in the description down below, along with some coupon codes for some makeup brands down there for you if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!